In this video, we're going to talk about my favorite topic, which is sales. Hi there, my name is Stefan and welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about my favorite topic, which is sales. As somebody that finished Faculty of Economics, I can definitely say that being able to sell something or accurately present the value of something is definitely a skill set that everybody can benefit from in life. And the people who understands this approach early in life will definitely have a massive advantage in almost every area of life. Here's the uncomfortable truth. If you're not good at sales, you will struggle to get what you want, even if you most probably deserve it. Not because you lack talent or intelligence, but because value that is not communicated is the value that goes unnoticed. Sales one-on-one starts with one important idea. Selling is not about convincing people to buy something they do not need. Real sales is the ability to clearly communicate value and help someone make a decision that benefits them. The reason sales feel uncomfortable to many people is because they are associated with pressure, manipulation, or being pushy. That is bad sales. Good sales is the opposite. Good sales is based on understanding, listening, and clarity. To understand why everyone is already in sales without even noticing it, you just need to look at everyday life. When you go on a date, you are selling your personality, your values, and your lifestyle. You are communicating why someone should invest their time and attention in you. When you meet a new person, you are selling trust and credibility. When you go to a job interview, you are selling your skills, experience, attitude, and potential contribution to their company. These situations are no different from sales conversation. From an educational perspective, every sale has three basic elements. First, there is a person with a need, a problem, or desire. Second, there is a solution that can improve their situation. And third, there is a communication that connects the two. If any of these elements are missing, the sale does not happen. This is why communication is the core of sales. It's not about talking more, it's about asking better questions and listening carefully. When you understand what someone actually needs, selling becomes helping, not persuading them. Another key concept in sales one-on-one is value versus price. People rarely buy based on price alone. They buy based on perceived value. If someone clearly understands how product, service, or person can improve their life, the decision becomes easier. If the value is unclear, even the cheapest option feels expensive. This can apply directly to your career as well. If you cannot explain what value you bring to an employer, your salary will always be limited, or you might not even get hired. If you cannot explain your strengths in an interview, someone less qualified but more confident will often get the opportunity. This is not unfair, it's simply how human decision-making works. Being good at sales also means being comfortable speaking about yourself without feeling arrogant. Confidence is not exaggeration. Confidence is clarity. It's knowing your strengths, understanding your experience, and being able to explain how you can help solve problems. Sales is also a skill that can be learned. It is not a personality trait you're born with. The more you practice clear communication, active listening, and value-based thinking, the better you become. And the better you become at sales, the more control you gain over your career, your income, and your opportunities. The biggest mind shift in sales one-on-one is this. Stop saying I'm not a salesperson. Start saying I'm learning how to communicate the value. Once you make that shift, selling stops being scary and starts being empowering. To close this, remember one simple idea. You are already selling every day. The only question is whether you are doing it intentionally or leaving opportunities to chance. When you learn sales, you are not learning how to manipulate people, you're learning how to be understood. And that skill will follow you for the rest of the life. Once again, my name is Stefan, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.